In this problem, there are 7 books on 7 different subjects, namely physics, chemistry, mathematics, biology, English, Hindi, and Sanskrit, are kept in a stack and they are numbered from 1 to 7 from bottom to top. So, situation is like this: 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And it is also known that one has to remove at least 4 books from the top to reach the chemistry book. So one needs to remove 7 books number 7, 6, 5, 4 in order to get the chemistry book. So chemistry book is numbered 3. And if we go through the statement 5, here it is given that the mathematics book occupies the third position from one of the extreme ends of the stack. One of the possible third position from the extreme ends is already occupied by chemistry book. So the only possibility for mathematics book is that it is kept at position 5th, and from statement 2nd we can deduce that the physics books cannot be expressed as the arithmetic mean of any two numbers on the other books. Numbers on books are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Like if we want to get 1 as an arithmetic of any of the two numbers on the other books, it is not possible. In case of 2, it can be obtained by taking arithmetic mean of 1 and 3. Similar is the case with 3, it can be obtained by 2 and 4, as the arithmetic mean of 2 and 4 is 3. Similar is the case with 4, 5 and 6, but again 7 cannot be obtained as an arithmetic mean of any of the two numbers on the remaining 6 books. So the position of physics book could be either 7 or 1, and in statement 4th it is given that the biology book is at one of the extreme ends of the stack. Combining these two conclusions, it can be concluded that the books at extreme ends are biology and physics. So at first either biology or physics is kept, and at 7 physics or biology. From statement 3, here it is given that there are exactly 3 books between the English book and the Hindi book. After having a look at arrangement, there is only one possible way in which there could be exactly 3 books between the book of English and Hindi, and it is then when English and Hindi books are kept at 2 and 6, not necessarily in the given order. So English or Hindi, and Hindi or English, and now the remaining position is occupied by Sanskrit book. So this is the order in which books are kept. Let's move to the questions. In first question, it is asking the number of books between the books of chemistry and Hindi is. Hindi is either at second position or at sixth position, and position of Sanskrit is fixed, which is fourth. So the number of books between Hindi and chemistry is either 2 or 1. Therefore, option D is the correct answer. Let's move to the next question. Had the book been numbered 1 to 7 from top to bottom, what would have been the sum of the numbers on the books of Hindi and English? even if position of books are reversed, positions for Hindi and English book would remain 6 and 2, 6 and 2 only, irrespective of all order. So the sum of numbers on these books would remain same irrespective of the change of order, and it is 2 plus 6, that is 8, which is option A. Let's move to the last question of this set. If the biology book is kept at bottom, it means physics book is at the top and the numbers on the physics and Sanskrit books are interchanged. What will be the number on the Sanskrit book? As we have already concluded that if biology book is kept at the bottom, the number on physics book will have to be 7, and if the numbers on physics and Sanskrit books are interchanged, then the number on Sanskrit book would obviously be 7, which is option A.